Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. We are opening day 6 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and I know I'm not really in anything festive. I think I do have a Santa's hat somewhere. Here we go. It fell down, but I will put this on because, you know, I'm in a grungy old sweatshirt and just kind of hanging out here today. Okay. So yesterday we got the big surprise, or at least I was surprised that it wasn't hand cream. It was the iron cleaner and starch spray. Both I love the ideas. I love them. I have to admit I didn't use either one yet. But I will. I will keep you posted when I do use them. So I found the iron cleaner online on another website. I couldn't find it on Missouri Star Quilt's website, and it was $8 for the exact same amount. And the spray starch was, I think it was like $6 or $7, but it was a little bit of a bigger bottle. So I'm going to put that at $5. So our total for yesterday was $13. If we add it to the 50, we are up to $63. And the box cost $180. So we're doing really good. I mean, the value is here, absolutely. And another YouTuber had said, you know, there's more value than the money value, but you know, everybody is on such a tight budget. I really think the monetary value is still very important to people because let's face it, if this box were like 20 bucks for all these gifts, you'd be buying it, right? But $180, that's a huge price tag. Just my opinion. Anyway, let's move on and open day 6. I almost got confused because I had it upside down, day 9. I was like, oh, it's the wrong gift, but no, it's day 6. So I guessed yesterday it's one of those metal signs. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Let's see. It is, okay. Oh, this is cute. This says, parking for quilters only, violators will be pressed to the dark side. That is really cute. And it is branded with the logo from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, but it's not screaming that. If you didn't know that, it just looks like 2 quilt blocks. I actually really love this. It's really cute. It's really cute. Okay, this will definitely be hung in my sewing room. Before I take a sneak peek at guessing for day 7, I just want to remind you about the 12 days of Quiltmas. It is day 6, which means Di from Sister Chicks Quilting, her video debuts tonight. I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see. Mine again is on the 8th, so in 2 more days. But I have the complete list below, so you can check them out. The quilts have been amazing. The videos are great. This has been such a wonderful collaboration to be part of. Okay, so let's take a guess at day 7. Okay. It's squishy in the middle. Feels like an embroidery hoop in there, or something roundish. It could be maybe a cross-stitch kit. I know sometimes they do that. 2 years ago, I think they did a painting kit or something like that. They promote other companies. Maybe that's what it is, a cross-stitch kit. I'm not sure. I'm baffled on this one. Can't wait to find out. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.